Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala nje ngeChippa United bafethu. iChippa United namhlanje sivuke kuyindaba ezithi nje isidedele umdlalo wabo kuba nina ayabulela konqobe umjida ke bafethu. He was one of the best players abadlalela ina iChippa United last season. But ke kuboya ngathi ke iChippa United benza ama adjustment ku squad abanaso currently. So umjida ke ba decide ukuthi ke bamdedele abe free agent. Singesazi ukuthi ke kwenzakalani kwiChippa United currently. Why are they letting go of their best players? Because ke nizwile ezinye zeindaba badayise umdlalo wabo kuba nina badayisa usinoxolo kwaye bamdayisa leStelis naku ke sebededela umdlalo wabo ontswembu okuba na okuabulela konqobe umjida kube defender ubesekwazi futhi ke adlale eswini ubesekwazi ke aprovide leyo stability adlale CDM. Singesazi ke currently ukuthi ke umjida ubhekephi ngoba ke currently uyi-free agent. Akhona amathima akhona la ku-Battle Premiership asazi mhlambe ke ngambona esedlala kwezimnyama because ngiyabaza ubudlelwano kwezimnyama neChippa United. But ke asithule sibheke kwezinye izindaba eziphumele namhlanje ezingithusile bafethu. Umjida osathanda kuhamba le South Africa ayodlala le Belgium. Benikhumbulayo bafethu uCV Magidikidi ubedlalele under 20 uSouth Africa umjida last year. Wadlala kahle kakhulu kuleyo season waseke esethathwa yini na esethathwa i-team yale Belgium yamsayina umjida. Njengoba umjida esayiniwe current kuthiwa iclub yakhe ayimazi ukuphi njengamanje. Yabo ayimazi ukuphi njengamanje unikezwe nje i-early access ukuthi ke umjida ahambe ayobona umndeni wakhe. Njengoba nje uyahambile ayobona umndeni wakhe la eSouth Africa akakabuyi ever since ehambile weza la eSouth Africa akakabuyi, and lokho kwenza i-team ibe frustrated. Umdlali bafethu una 20 years old. Singesazi ukuthi ke kwenzakalani ngomjida because ukudlala eBelgium akusiyona akusiyona into evelela nomba. Yabo akusiyona into evelela nomba. Umjida ulitholile ithuba bathi ke kuboya ngathi ke usedlala ngalo ithuba. Ayifuneki into kanje. I hope la ekhona umjida ke uyalungisela ukubuyela le phesheya ayoxolisa kubaphathi bakhe aqhubeke adlala ibhola. Yabo lento le yokuba disrupted izinto engekho right ayikho right ebholeni bafethu. Umjida kumele focus ebholeni. I hope into ke emphazamisile yinto mhlambe emayelana nomndeni into ebalekile not izinto engekho engasile. Mhlambe ke umjida mengafuna ukudlala phesheya akasho atshele agent yakhe abuyele khona la eSouth Africa. Akhona amathima asengamsayina akhona vele la eSouth Africa amakhulu. Yabo iminyaka isamvumela umjida ukuthi ke azocompete for any team ekhona la ku-Battle Premiership. But ke iminyaka yakhe imnandi futhi for amathima akhona eEurope at 20 year old emosha ithubeli kanje asazi. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje bafethu I spoke about uSipho Mbuli bafethu. uSipho Mbuli is one of those players Orlando Pirates abadedelayo umjida ke contract yakhe ayirenewanga iconfirmile ke iagent yakhe kuba na Mike McCabe waconfirm umjida ukuthi ke uSipho Mbuli currently akanayo club. And I spoke about ilinkwe with Iswelele FC. I spoke about the heavily link alinkwe with Iswelele. Ikhona ke na isikhukhune in the pictures ngesazi noma ke isikhukhune sokwazi ke siphinde simlande umjida because if ukhumbula kahle the last time he played for isikhukhune there were disciplinary issues nakhona kwisikhukhune United lapho kona bagcina sebemhlalisa ngaphandle bagcina sebemdedela on a short space of time. But ke isikhukhune United singajabula ngempela ukuthi ke simbuyise umjida ayoidlalela. But ke Iswelele I heard uCM uyafuna ngempela ukuthi ke ayojoina inina Iswelele. Asazi kwenzakalani. Let's see. Iwindi lisavuliwe. Ngisakusona nje bafethu Iswelele kuthiwa nje Iswelele FC sifuna ukukhuphula icontract yabani na yaNyiko Mobi. uNyiko Mobi ke bafethu umjida currently una 31 years old. But ke uCM uyajabula ngempela indlela adlala ngakhona umjida ubedlalela bafana uyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi ke experience unayo kakhulu, and leyo nto leyo uzokwazi ke ayilethe kuma youngsters akhona vele kwinina kwiSwelele. So udinga abadlali abakanjalo ke uCM laphana akwazi ke abacoache because kunama youngsters amaningi. Yebo into engiyithanda kakhulu ngeSwelele sinama youngsters amaningi and sinabadlali abaningi abane experience. Ingakho efuna ukulanda bani na efuna ukulanda uSipho Mbuli. But ke uSipho Mbuli mhlawumbe engaba mentor right for ama youngsters singesazi. But ke ngiyajabulisa ukubona uNyiko Mobi ethola another year kwicontract yakhe for Iswelele FC. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa uMendieta currently we-free agent usathana kurelease iclub yakhe yale eGreek. umjida ke ubedlala le eGreece. Yabo currently kodwa ke use-free agent. Amathima akhona ku-Battle Premiership mefuna ukumsayina asengamsayina umjida. Maybe a possible move to iStelis kuthi mayidlalela before asazi because the Stelis phela right now they don't have any players. They recently released a long list of players, so currently they are signing anyone okhona o available odlala kahle. So maybe signing back uMediator might not be a bad idea. Let's see ukuthi kuzokwenzakala. Ezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kubadlali abareleaswayo. uGaston Sirino is another player abafethu kwilist yabadlali beKaizer Chiefs abazoreleaswa abafethu. If you remember, I spoke about George Motlow. Nangu komunye umdlali ozoreleaswa abafethu kuba nawo uGaston Sirino. Umjidi mwasuye nje kwiKaizer Chiefs. Mwasuye ku-Instagram yakhe useyisusile iKaizer Chiefs kwibio yakhe. So izinto ke seyikhulunyiwe vele behind the scenes, contract yakhe ngeyizirenewe, bayamdedela nje, bayabonga ngawo konke aseyikwenzele kona iKaizer Chiefs. Ungangitshela ema comments, how do you feel regarding the release of ubani na uGaston Sirino, the number 10 of iKaizer Chiefs? Kwezinye izindaba esiyibonile namhlanje, indaba ezimnandi kakhulu ke for abantu base KZN, because one of their teams is currently leading kuma playoffs. Remember kuma playoffs kudlala ama team amathathu okuyi Cape Town City, iMagesi masukuba iMilford. iMilford currently they are leading on top with 6 points. iMagesi ibe na 3 points, masukuthi ke iCape Town City ibe na 0 points. Lama games ke bafethu azobe emnandi indlela eyisimanga going forward, because uma iMagesi ngawudraw umdlalo olandelayo and iMilford mhlambe ke nayo idraw umdlalo olandelayo, kubuye ngathi ke iMilford izolithola ithuba lokuthi ke iqhubeke iyodlala kwinina kwiBetway Premiership. But ke iMilford mina ngifunile ukudraw, ngifunile ukwenza njani, kumele ithole nje amaphuzu amathathu each and every game. Ngiyangijabulisa ukubona more teams aqhamuka khona la iKZN enza kahle bafethu. Siyafisa ukwabona emaningi egcwele kwiBetway Premiership, sidominate, kungabi njengezikhathi zakudala kukhona ama team amaningi asuka kuGauteng. Yabo iMilford yangijabulisa ukuyibona into yenza kanje. Singesazi ke regarding Cape Town City, Cape Town City indlela edlala ngakhona akukhombisa ukuthi ke izobuyela kwinina kuBetway Premiership. Awungitshele ke wena ngokwakho yiphi team ofuna ukuyibona iwina lama playoffs lawo. Angifuni uqamba manga, having teams like Cape Town City kuyenza ileague yethu ibe ne standard esikhulu, because Cape Town City ama team zothini, i-team ekahle ekwaziyo ukuyiqoqa, okuyikona ukuthi ke angazi kwenzakalani eCape Town City. Yabo mhlawumbe kumele bawoxolise kwiPirates. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile, I spoke about uMthiyane bafethu umdlali wani na, umdlali weStelis. I spoke about uMthiyane ukuthi ke uMthiyane is heavily linked with iOrlando Pirates. Njoba nje elinked with iOrlando Pirates, izolo ke kuphuma indaba ukuthi ke uLebitso naye kungenzeka ayojoina iStelis. Namhlanje ke kuphume umthombo weindaba kuthiwa ke kuzoba iswap deal. Yabo kuzoba iswap deal nemali ngaphezulu. So uMthiyane nje akayi kojoin iOrlando Pirates on a free like ukushintshwa abadlali cha. Yabo iOrlando Pirates iyamfuna uMthiyane, iofferishe umdlali ngaphezulu with imali. Yabo menyazi ke leyo nto leyo kwabajwayele ukuyidlala iFIFA kunalo mpahla leyo ukuthi umdlali emufuna ukumthenga umdlali ufaka imali ngaphezulu. Uma mhlawumbe ungama-afford, uma le team le ufuna ukumthenga kuyona ibiza imali eningi, uya offerisha nangomdlali usho ukuthi ke nangu umdlali ngicela nangemali nayi ke imadlana engizoyi-add ngaphezulu. Equality ke bafethu ubani na uThabiso Libitso. I don't think ikhona i-team engeke izivume ukuthi ke ihambe ithatha imali with a player like uThabiso Libitso ngaphezulu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje bafethu iOrlando Pirates kuthiwa ke ifuna ukusayina umdlali okuthiwa uLungu odlalela iSwelele FC. Niyamazi ke lo Mjida bafethu, uMjida is one of the best players abadlalela yona inina iSwelele FC. I don't know how to feel about this signing. I will do a separate video regarding ama signings and Orlando Pirates, but again Orlando Pirates it looks like abachita bazosayina another player oyi-forward. Kwezinye izindaba Kaizer Chiefs bafuna ukushaya iswap deal with iStelis. Bafuna ukushaya iswap deal with iStelis ngoba nina Kaizer Chiefs inomdlali ofunwa iStelis ukuba uAshley Dupree. Masukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs ifuna bani kwiStelis? Ifuna uLangelihle Phili. Langelihle Phili umdlali odlala kakhulu for iStelis. So iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukusebenzisa uAshley Dupree ukuthi ke abe imove yokuthi bathole lo mdlali lo uLangelihle Phili. Singesazi ukuthi ke izosebenza yini leyo nto leyo, but ke iKaizer Chiefs they want this player. We might see a swap deal just like Orlando Pirates with uMthiyane and uLebitso.